Hey guys, hi beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel and you're welcome back to another amazing video. Please don't make it your last. Please stay here, like, subscribe and share this video. So in today's video, I'll be making Singapore noodles, rice stick or stick rice. Yes, so please don't go anywhere, don't touch that dial, please. I'll leave you now to enjoy the rest of the video. Just watch carefully, enjoy, and make sure you try out these noodles because it was so yummy. I won't lie. Have fun.